ab'ekitongore ky'amashanyarazi ekya umeme batongwize kombeka layini y'amashanyarazi omuriro rw'empongo omu district ya Kiruhura okurigirira hari engineer Samuel Magezi kuruga mu umeme kandi urukora nka project manager agizire ngo layini irikuza kombekwa neingana kilomita 11 kandi neeza kumaraho miriyooni 650 omu sente za Uganda.
The end point will be at the source where national water is going to connect to their machines so that they are able to pump water to the communities around and to Kageti Trading Center plus Amos Diaries.
Ari kugambaho n'abatura ba Rwempogo omu rukiko Byron Bine orukora nka operations manager omu kitongore kya umeme ahitage ryambara agizire ngo layini ikaba iri yo kombekwa abaruro electrification agents omwaka gw'2021 konka terahwire bwa nyuma ya layini kwibwa.
What we are trying to do right now today is to sensitize the community and let the community know that they have a role in being vigilant, and with their vigilance we may not have vandalism again.
Vandalized about 8 kilometers of conductors, and that's what we are replacing, plus completing other works which they need to complete.
Ebine nagira ngo amashanyarazi gagendere kwera amakagari kwike 12 ombyaro ebiherire ecwekeki hamwe no kuretaho entunguka.
So once we complete this line and build it, it will be able to serve the national water pumps at the end and as well as serve the communities in here.
Abo kugira ngo bushuma bw'ebyoma bitare bimwe bweyongire omuyihanga nka ebyamizi ebyareyirwe hamwe n'ahanguto nebindi aba bashaziremo kubugana abantu kubegesa okuhakubasa kubaho enkoragana kumaraho omuzogo.
Because once the community is vigilant, not anybody can come and vandalize a line without the community identifying them. That is the best way to reduce vandalism and to stop it. And where communities have been vigilant, at least vandals either fear to go there, or in some cases they have managed to arrest the people who have been vandalizing this line.
So we take that responsibility. You kureberera amashanyarazi.
Abantu abo tubasize kuganira nabo basimire government ahabo kubaha projectage.
Tutambuze bigere kugenda mu town kuza kutora yonkoboro kuza kutora nk'ebicori konka hati ntuza abamwe abarabe bine senta abarabe bine capacity yo kureta nk'ibyoma yo kusankoboro yo kusanka ebicori twaza kwigirwaho
atigaza kucyamba twatunga muna zakura imirimo yiki yagenda
Gashakwa na Good Fatuma.